Dr. Prabhu. I'm from Karakiri. Actually, this is my second time with Prabhu for the course. The reason why I came again was after attending his course 2 months ago, I took away some information from him and then the practice management thing. Then I applied it in my clinic. I could literally see the changes and improvements happening. And then, as you know, when you attend any course, you cannot absorb 100% and utilize the whole 100%. Something will go away, So to refresh myself and to get some new, I thought any course they would add something new on the next time. So I thought maybe he would also do that. I didn't know that he's going to do it, but I expected it. But he did it. He did include a lot of new things which were not there in the previous course. So definitely it was, I won't say it's just helpful. I would say this is a must for every practicing dentist. So I would definitely personally recommend, not just my friends, to any dentist who's going to see this video to attend his course, because this is one area almost all of us lacks actually.
Dr. Prabhu attended my last program. Dear Dr. Prabhu, I just want to ask 3 questions to you. The first is, there are many very senior doctors who are watching this program in this video in Facebook or whatever media they are seeing right now. They all have one question. One question is, Doctor, I do everything whatever you say, only little bit I miss. So what do you want to tell them?
See, there's a Chinese proverb called empty your cups, which means to learn something new, you have to empty your cups. To fill the cup, you need to empty it. Similarly, even you can be a best practitioner in the country or the world, but still you cannot be 100% perfect, right? If you are a 95% successful practitioner, if you lack that 5%, I think this is where you find that 5%. So,
and one more thing, wherever I go for various meetings, they always feel orthodontic course is very useful, implant course is very useful, any course is useful, but is practice management is essential? Is it work? Will it work? What do you want to tell for such people?
See, they say for anything or any business, the technical thing is very, there's a survey which shows only success of a company or a person is only 15% or 35%. Remaining is the personality. So if you build your personality, automatically you're going to build your practice. And so this is where you build the personality and you design your business. So this is the base, I would say. Technical knowledge, yes, indeed you need a technical knowledge, but to apply it and to be successful, you need something basic basic understanding of life and how it works, how the business works. Without knowing that you have 100 fancy degrees, I don't think it is going to be quite useful. You need these basics. I mean, how to execute it. That is
one more thing. The junior doctors, they all ask is, Doctor, I will first do certain things and then I will come to your course. What do you want to tell such young doctors who are thinking whether to invest or whether to come and spend my 2 days time here? What do you want to tell such young doctors what do you want to address to them?
To the budding dentists and the new chaps in the field, I know I was in the same position a few years ago. The position of yours is like you don't have, most of you who don't have any idea what to do next, right? So I think you should begin from here before you improve your technical skills and pursue your master's degree. Then you should attend this, and then from here I think there will be your way will be clear. You will get an idea what to do and how to do it. That is what matters. Even after you may even join post-graduation, but it's not sure that you will be a successful dentist. So to be successful, you need to apply certain principles in your practice. You will find that here. So I would personally suggest, especially the new dentists, to attend this kind of course, because so it is easy for you to build your practice from the beginning. for us, for the experienced practitioners, they can alter it. For the beginners, they can design it from the beginning, the future practice.
Dr. Prabhu, one more great thing you have done today or this episode of our bootcamp is you brought your aunts, 3 aunts who wants to establish, create new practice and serve the people. So how did you get this idea of getting them to this bootcamp? What made you think this will be useful for them?
See, I told them that we will start a clinic. You can manage it, but I didn't. But inside my heart, that was not the real intention. Actually, the real intention is anything they want to do. This is the basic, not just practice. So I want them to understand this first, and then maybe we can do any business if they know the basics of the business. Maybe if they are interested, we can start a clinic. They can manage the clinic. I can run the clinic. So that's the whole idea. This is not just for dentists. Anyone who has any even a small business should attend.
So this basic program can be useful for even dentists, physiotherapists, any healthcare providers, any non-dentists, like any small business people also. These concepts are highly useful, and I hope that your aunt has already given you the feedback that she has told the same thing, which I don't know whether she knows it already, that you have brought them here to be successful in life first, then practice is one part of our life.
Exactly.
So thank you for the trust you had on me, and God bless you for your leadership quality. There is one thing which you get, there is one thing which you feel that others also should get, and you are in the top 1% category. Very few people think others' welfare and other things, and you are in the category, and we should grow our bond together. God bless. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. Please.